Welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the ways via which you can discover a hot selling e-commerce product. Now, a hot selling product is a product that has the capacity or has proven to sell multiple volumes, all right, in a short period of time. You don't have to wait for a very long time before the product starts selling. Once you pick the product and people see it, they begin to buy it, or they begin to, they are eager to have it. They contact you because they need it. They might not even necessarily need it, but they want it. They want to have it. They would like to have it. Why? Because it's either exciting, it's interesting, it's awesome, it makes them feel some kind of way. All right? It either makes them feel special, it either makes them feel into a particular class, it either makes them feel apart from the crowd. It can be anything. It can solve a problem or it can meet a need. All right, these are hot products. Any product that has the capacity or has proven to sell large volumes in a short period of time, and of course over a long period of time. I am going to share with you just one way, one of the ways. There are many ways. I shared this in my course. I shared this in my Profitable E-commerce Business Guide. It's a course on e-commerce that I made available for just 3,000 naira. I think the price is going to go up to about 15,000 naira from January next year, from 2022, which we are almost here, just a few days away from 2022. But that's not why I'm here. I want to show you one way, one of the ways that I also explain in the course that you can discover hot selling products. Let's go. So please, before we just get started, I'd like to ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Like the video so that more people get to see the video. The more likes my video gets, the more people would see the video. And please, if you are new to this channel and you'd like to see more of such content that will show you how to make money online, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post amazing videos, right? So just like this video, subscribe, and turn on that bell icon. Let's go. So for this very tutorial, we are going to be using Facebook. Somebody might ask, why Facebook? It's because Facebook is powerful. This is where almost everyone who sells this e-commerce product, this hot product, this is where they bring their adverts. Do you understand? This is where they bring their products to sell. Facebook is a huge marketplace. Facebook is a huge platform to discover products. Although there are some limitations, but it's also powerful to discover hot selling products. And also you can use Facebook to gain an idea of the kind of creatives to use. For instance, if you bought a product you want to sell and you don't know how to make your video, you don't know what kind of creative to use or how to start, you can just come on Facebook and search for similar products. All right, see how the videos were created, how they were made, and the kind of creatives they used, the kind of copy they used. It will give you an idea of how to create yours. Do you understand? That is what you should be doing. You research everything. At every point, you keep researching. You research for products, you research for creative, you research for copies. All right? Because people are already in this game, so it's easier for you. You already have a pathway to walk through. You have a pathway to follow. So, for instance, we are now on Facebook, right? And then you want to sell a smartwatch, but you don't know which of the smartwatch is going to sell for you in high volume. So what you do is you come to Facebook, you come to the search bar here, you search for smartwatch. Smartwatch. This is smartwatch, right? Click on this. Now look at different smartwatches. This one are on the marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. This one is selling for 6,000, 7,500, 6,000, 15,000, 5,000, 5,500. And now this one is an advert from someone. Okay. So this is toughest tactical smartwatch. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to watch this video and see what this smartwatch is about. But meanwhile, take note, watch what is going on. This person said tactical smartwatch, right? And look at here, it says, get 3 free gifts today. He's making emphasis on today. And this is because you are not just getting the smartwatch when you buy, you also get free gifts. Pay attention to how people are selling. I'm going to show you more products, not just smartwatch. We're going to research on more products, but we're starting with this one. All right? Pay attention to how people are able to sell. He's not just selling smartwatch. He's saying get 3 free gifts. Now, people are going to buy, but if you want more people to buy, what are you going to do? If you want more people to buy, instead of saying get 3 free gifts, you mention the gifts. Do you get me? Instead of saying get 3 free gifts, you mention the free gifts that they are going to get. It creates urgency. It makes them want to have it immediately. Buy this smartwatch, get a bangle or a bead, get this, get that for free. And then on this creative, on this image, on this video, okay, you can now use this thumbnail. You can now use the pictures of the free gifts, add them here. Whoever sees it would want to buy it and get that free gift immediately. So let's see what is in this video and how the smartwatch looks like. Bold.
A spotlight and a tactical pen. It does track your sleep if you wear your watch during the night, and you can also join friend groups. You do have targets you can set up, and you can manage your device through the app.
Did you see that? In the video, they showed you the free gifts you are going to get. The man showed everything. Watch again and see what happened there.
Great watch, and it comes with a few free gifts. It came with a military pouch, a spotlight, and a tactical pen. It does track your sleep if you wear your watch during the night, and you can also join friend groups. You do have targets you can set up, and you can manage your device through the app.
So you can manage this smartwatch through the app. An amazing product. Tell me why people are not going to buy this. People are going to buy this. Now, if you want to sell this kind of product and you know you cannot, and you don't find it in Nigeria or in your country, you simply search in China and import it. If you don't find it locally. But trust me, someone has it locally. Until you search, you would not find. But look at this amazing offer. The video is not even long, 26 seconds. And this video was shot with a phone. You don't need any special gadget. The man was showing you the smartwatch and the things you are going to benefit. You're getting that smart pen. Most of those pens have spy camera, right? You're getting the military pouch. You're also getting the torchlight or whatever. So these are amazing products that you can actually sell because people are going to buy it. People are going to buy these products. Okay? People are going to buy it. People are already interested, right? Those who really need it will just click on shop now and they go and buy it. Okay, so these are smartwatches. Different kinds of smartwatch. All right? This person is selling, this is a smartwatch Series 7, 27,000 naira. Someone is selling these ones. New X8 smartwatch Series 5, 10,000 naira. I need one. People are needing it. All right? That's interesting. This is another advert. Go Move. I love how technologically simple this smartwatch is. It really does everything I need it to do and more. See the creative, see the copy, not too much grammar. The copy is from the point of view of a customer, of a user, right? 50% off today.
So I finally got my Go Move Pro in, and this thing is freaking awesome. The home screen is super clean looking, not to mention the other 20 or 30 screens that it comes with. Tracks your steps, distance, and calories burned each day, your heart rate, your blood pressure, tracks your sleep quality, gives you reminders to stand up and drink water. You get text, call notifications. It's amazing. I wish I would have bought this a long time ago. Thanks, GoMove. I will definitely be buying more.
Simple. You can even give your own brother or your sister to make this kind of video for you. The person will come in form of a customer and say, hi, I bought this for amazing product. I loved it. I used it. It helped me that. It did this for me. It helped me with this. It's blood pressure, blood group, blood whatever, heartbeats, pulse. You get, people would want to buy more because someone else who is using it has already given a good review. See how they are selling. Learn these things. It's not rocket science. All right. So I think that's enough of the smartwatch. Yeah. Now look at this person. 2-in-1 promo, right? Smart Series 6. All right. Look at what they are selling here. So you're buying this, you are getting this for free. And the funny thing is, this thing now, if you go to China, Alibaba, this thing is less than 1,000 naira. This one particularly, it's about 400 naira. If you even search where you see some for 300 and something naira, I'm telling you from experience, I know what I'm saying. But because most of you are not searching, are not making researches, you will not find this stuff. All right. So I think we have done enough here for smartwatch. So what if you want to sell something like what do you want to sell something like something for car? Something for cars that you know that car owners will love. You simply come and search for car here. Car accessories. Okay? Always use keywords. Always use keywords. Keywords. See car accessories, and then you begin to search. You begin to search until you find something interesting or something attractive or something impressive that you think that will make you go, wow, what is this? I love this. The same way you feel wow, is the same way someone else will feel wow when they see your advert. So you keep searching, all right? This is an advert from someone. Elevate your car and be ready to stand out among the crowd with our Bloom Car LED lights pedal. Maybe they see you. Do you see that? Elevate your car and be ready to stand out among the crowd, with our Bloom Car LED lights pedal. So you come here, let's see what the pedal is about. This is somebody's ad, so we click on this. Oh, you see the effect this thing gives on your car. As you open it, see the beautiful colors. The interior comes alive. Very, very beautiful colors. This is green. This one, in fact, this one is multicolored. So the colors are interchanging and giving your car that nice vibe, that's big boy, that stylish stuff. Look at this. Something as simple as this, you might be asking yourself, who is going to buy it? Listen, I sold car lights, valve lights. I sold over 4,000 pieces of it, or 5,000 pieces of it, or thereabout. More than that, I sold those things. I bought it from China at a cheaper price. I sold at a higher price, and people were buying it. So don't ask who's going to buy it. People will buy it. Look at this. This thing now does not solve any problem for you, but it's fanciful. It's beautiful. It goes wow. People would love to have it. See the colorful, see the beautiful colors now. If you check out comments, you see that there are people who would want it. So, as in, do you have for Tesla? Can it be delivered at Hong Kong? People need it. Do you have for Porsche? All right. People are going to ask, do you have for Camry? Do you have for people because they love it? This is how to research for products. So there's nothing special again. All right. These are different ones. Yeah. This one is for car interior. See how the interior of the car looks. So beautiful, right? So if you want to see more videos, okay, this is what? Another one. Oh, almost the same thing. Someone say, let's go beyond wow. Give a unique and premium look to your car instantly with bloom lights. The same bloom light, the same bloom lights. It's becoming a normal thing now. People are selling it now. It's becoming It's becoming a normal thing. Look at, you see that? Lexus, Mercedes, Ferrari. You just place it there and boom, the light comes up. Honda. Amazing, amazing stuff. Amazing. Bloom light. Take note of it. You can even sell it this December, because this December, this Christmas, New Year period, people want to look flashy as they travel or as they cruise around the city. This is a product idea for you to sell. I'm giving you for free. All right. If you want to see more of the videos, you simply come to the video part of your search bar. All right. You can now see different videos. Cool car accessories 2021. You have to watch this video. It's 8 minutes long. Watch everything to see different accessories, and we know the one that is going to sell in your country. Okay, this one is saying must have car accessories. You watch the 3 minutes long video. This is how to discover products. This one saying 14 coolest car accessories that are worth buying from Amazon. Best automobile car gadgets 2021. 14 of them. So you simply watch this 10 minutes long video and you discover more. These are the things you should be doing with your time, right? Smart car accessories and gadgets you should have. 3 minutes long. So now you have seen that this is how to discover, how to search for hot selling products. What if you don't want for cars, for kitchen, for fitness? For fitness, you type fitness. You keep searching, right? Once you type fitness, you search for fitness. This person is selling this. This is it's an ad, as you can see, sponsored. Once you see sponsored, it's an ad. So there are different fitness products. Many fitness products. This is a fitness product, as you can see, sponsored here, right? So what you do is you come to video so that you can go through many videos. You will see long videos that you can watch and learn a lot from. Okay? So these are simply the simple ways that you can research for products. I discussed this in my course. The Profitable E-Commerce Business Guide. If you haven't gotten the course, it's currently at 3,000 naira, but from 2022, which we are almost here, a few days away, it's going to become 15K. So if you haven't gotten it, just simply go to seller.co//ecommerce. This is the link here. seller.co/ecom. You go and get it. Once you come to seller, you're going to see every information about the course here. Okay, it will teach you how to make at least 300K monthly doing e-commerce. If you don't want to pay online, you can come here, click on buy and pay online and gain immediate access to the course. If you want to pay online, you can pay by bank transfer by simply transferring 3,000 naira to this account here, and then, all right, and then send your proof of payment to WhatsApp, to this WhatsApp number. Once you send your payment slip to this WhatsApp number, you will gain access to the course. Just 3,000 naira, but from next year, from 2022, it's going to become 15,000 naira. Okay. I think that's all about this. There are many other ways that you can research for products, but that's just one. If you'd like to learn more, get the course. And if you don't get the course, you can still use this Facebook pattern. You will still get products to sell. That's it. All right. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. Share this video, please, with anyone you know will find it helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about e-commerce, I have a lot of videos on e-commerce. Just check my playlists on this channel. Check my channel, check the playlist. You see the e-commerce playlist. Watch videos about e-commerce. If you'd like to learn about Facebook ads, I have the Facebook ads playlist. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I have the affiliate marketing playlist. Just go through the playlist, search for any video you want to watch, learn, implement, and grow. Thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.